So now in this video we have a voltage follower, but it's with a PNP bipolar junction transistor. So it's going to work the opposite way of the NPN. We have the PNP bipolar junction transistor, as I said before. Emitter, of course, goes to the power supply. That is where we have our resistance. So when you got resistance from the emitter to the positive supply, since it's PNP right there, it gets a voltage that's about 0.6 volts higher than the voltage you set at the base. Again, the opposite of an NPN bipolar junction transistor when you wire up with the same circuit. So in any case, we got ground there. The current flow at this point doesn't go to ground right there. So we don't have to worry about going all the way to the positive supply, or of course you won't have to worry about going to the negative supply. All the current flow comes from this direction. So as long as we got resistance along the way, all across here, we can just short right to ground. We're fine. If we wanted to, we could add some resistance there. Should work. But in any case, we'll zoom back. Just be extra safe. This is all about voltage. We're just doing a quick demonstration right there. Doesn't matter where I set the trim pot right there. What matters? Well, I mean it matters for the voltage that it sets, but we can set any voltage we want. So I just have to put the black probe anywhere to ground because our interest is in relationship to ground. So we got about 9 right there. So this isn't going to be exact either, but 1.9, 0.6 volts higher than that is 2.5, and so we're going to see about that right there. Pretty spot on. So again, it's not going to be a perfect 0.6 volts. Might be a little bit lower, might be a little bit higher. Now I'm going to turn the trim pot to about 2/3 of the 5 volt supply right there. We had, somewhere around 1/3. Now we got 2/3, so that was measuring the supply voltage. We'll see what we actually have. So about 3.2 approximately right there. 0.6 more is 3.8, and so we should see somewhere around that. So again, not exact numbers. We were a little bit higher, and now we're even a little bit more higher right there. But it's following. That's why it's a voltage follower. And so this is not for powering a load. This is just for sending a signal. I have a lot of videos where we have like a reference voltage or something. This would be one way to set that. You just got to remember, whatever voltage you set there, this is going to be higher. This can provide more current than that one would, but if you're headed to ground, it has to go through this 1K resistor, so you're very limited on the current. You can work your way down, and I made videos, I'm going to make future videos too, where you have the positive supply headed this way, and in that case we have the 5 volts. Whatever voltage we set here, which is going to be about 0.6 volts higher, is going to be taken away from that 5 volts. So again, it's working like the NPN bipolar junction transistor, just opposite polarity. So in any case, hopefully that all made sense. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.